This is 5D dynamic frequency. To make this really simple, we take the 4D spectrum that we're used to of this Earth involved in this solar system around the Sun. And then we're going to take that whole system from another point of view and spin it. This is equivalent to a galaxy. This is equivalent to taking any kind of solar system. Let's say I took a solar system and I hung it on a string. And I moved it like this. As long as I take a 4D system and move it through a regular interval, that is this 5D dynamic frequency. Here we have this oscillating system as one way of expression. That's what makes a frequency, a passing through a moment over and over. This tonal spiral is another way of thinking of frequency. I take a 4D object like a solar system and I move it in a cyclic pattern around in a spiral. Just like if we're at the Sun from the point of view of the Milky Way galaxy, the center of the Milky Way galaxy, looking at the solar system, we'll see that 4D system move relative to where we're at. This is reminding you about this fifth dimension of understanding, of remembering that this fifth dimension is not something woo-woo, terribly difficult to understand. It's simply taking one step away from our world and expanding that infinity out. Many of us are caught in our little loop pattern, and we need to be reminded that there's a much bigger loop pattern dictating all of our lives as a whole and as an individual. And when you see this 5D dynamic frequency, look at the bigger loop patterns that are dominating the rhythms of your life. And if you can bring your consciousness in tune with those loop patterns, you can get a leg up, a new point of view of understanding of what's driving them. Free yourself from this pattern and open and remember it's truly not just a loop, but it can be a spiral. Even though you keep seeing the same things over again, you are moving upward, and trust that.